Dear students, welcome to Dabat Academy. In this video, we will share with you complete answer key for All India Sainik School Entrance Exam Class 9th entry. This particular solution is for set B, so you can cross-check your answers for individual questions for different sets A, C and D because सभी के serial numbers different हैं, questions are same. Now, let's begin with question number 1. So question number 1, the correct answer is 6. Option number 2nd. For question 2nd, the correct answer is again 2nd, 7. For question number 3, the correct answer is 144 degree, which is option number 3. In question number 4, the correct answer is rupees 2500. For question number 5, basically this represents class mark. The mid values of a class interval are called its class mark. So option number 2nd is correct. In question number 6, the correct answer is x is equal to 6, which is option number 4. The median value is 6. For question number 7, the square root of 0.45 times of 0121 is 0.0011, which is option number 3. So it's an easy question, question number 7. In question number 8, which least number should be subtracted from this to get a perfect square? Alright, so the answer for question number 8 is 4, which is option number 2nd. In question number 9, the cube root, the ones digit of cube root of 6859. So the correct answer is 9, which is option number 3. Moving on to the next page. In question number 10, a sum amounts to rupees 4410 after 2 years at 5% compound interest. Okay. So what is the principal? So correct answer for this question is rupees 4000, which is option number 3. In question number 11, what will you get when you subtract this from sum of this and this? So it's a question on basic algebra, and the correct answer for this is minus 6x plus 10 by minus 2z. So which is option number 1. In question number 12, the correct answer is option number 2nd. 15. Find the remainder when this particular quadratic equation is divided by a x minus 2. So the answer would be 15. In question number 13, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then find the value of x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4. So the correct answer for this question is 119, which is option number 2nd. In question number 14, the area of the square having diagonal of length d is given by. So it's a basic question, direct question. आपको एक diagram draw करके इसका value निकाल लेना था. Area would be represented by d square by 2. So 2nd is the correct answer. In question number 15, area of circle. So we have the perimeter of a circle having an area. So perimeter is basically, perimeter represents circumference, right? So we have area is equal to 154 centimeter square. So A is equal to pi r square, and in this method you can solve this question. So for question number 15, the correct answer is 44 centimeters, which is again option number 2nd. In question number 16, it's a little bit of lengthy question. Question number 16, find the area of rhombus having perimeter this and one diagonal 24 centimeter. So its final answer would be 384 centimeter square, which is option number 3. In question number 17, we have, I purchased 1 dozen pencils at the rate of 5 paise per pencil. For how much should I sell a pencil to make 20% profit? So the correct answer for question number 17 is 6 paise, which is option number 3. In question number 18, what is the ratio of the volume of a cylinder and that of a cone on the same base and of the same height? Okay, so answer for this question is 3:1, which is option number 4. In question number 19, we have, if the height and radius of a cone are doubled, it means 2 times 2x, then the volume of the cone becomes, so it becomes 8 times, which is option number 4. Alright. In question number 20, the total surface area of volume of hemisphere 19404 centimeter cube is. Okay, so we have been provided volume of hemisphere, and the answer for this question would be 4158, which is option number 1, 4158 centimeter square. Again I would like to repeat, this is for set B, so please आप अपने questions मैच कीजिएगा, serial number हर set में different है. In question number 21, the final answer is 1/5. This was an easy question, search and indices topic पर based question है. Alright, so this is correct answer. For question number 22, the correct answer is 4, which is option number 2nd. In question number 23, again this is a question on surds and indices, and you have all of the powers are -2, so upon solving you will get the final answer to be 29, which is option number 4. In question number 24, the additive identity for integers is always 0, option number 1. Associative property of multiplication of integers, okay, so it exists, and option number 1 is correct. In question number 26, okay, so in question number 26 we have, if ABC is an equilateral triangle, okay, all three sides are equal, then its altitude is equal to root 3/2a, which is option number 2nd. So root 3/2, option number 2nd is correct. Moving on to the next page, question number 27, we have a plus b plus c is equal to 5, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. इससे क्वेश्चन ऑन डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला जो आपके होते हैं a minus b whole raised to power 3, a cube minus b cube, so उन क्वेश्चंस पर बेस्ड ये फॉर्मूला है. So upon solving you will get the final answer to be a, which is option number 1, -25. In question number 28, the final answer is 0, option number 3. Factorization of 3 root 3 x cube minus 8 is, so in question number 29 the correct answer is option number 1. In question number 30, what is the number of possible outcomes in throwing 2 dice simultaneously? So its answer is 36. Obviously it was an easy question. 2 dice is thrown, so the sample space is 6 into 6. Sample space represents the total maximum possible number of outcomes. In question number 31, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, okay, so the probability of getting at most ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 head, and that would be 3/4, which is option number B. In question number 32, there is provision, food provision. Provisions means ration for 100 men for 30 days. If the number of men is reduced to 80, it means 20 people left, then the number of days the food could last for is, and the correct answer for this question is 37 1/2, which is option number 3. So this is a number of days. When number of men reduces, the food will last longer. So it's a basic question on unitary method. In question number 33, a vertical pole 14 meter high casts a shadow. Okay, what will be the height of a tree that casts a shadow of 15 meter under similar conditions? It's a similar question on unitary method, and answer for this question is 21 meter. Third option. In 34th question, if 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers would be required to do the same work in 30 hours? So for question number 34, the answer is x is equal to 24, option number 3. Moving on to the next page, if a transversal intersects 2 parallel lines, then the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal are called, so they are basically supplementary angles. Second option. In 36, at what distance does the point 12 5 lie from the origin? And the correct answer for this question is 13, which is option number 3. So how did we obtain this question? 12 square plus 5 square and whole root, so root of 169 is equal to 13. In question number 37, the correct answer is 11 days. It's a question of work and time. In question number 38, the difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is always a multiple of and the correct answer is second. It's always a multiple of 9. In question number 39, in a triangle, if two of the angles are complementary, okay, so A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then the measure of the third angle is, so in this question the answer is 90 degree. If the sum of 2 is 90, then A plus B plus C you would write as 180, and after putting on the values 180 you will obtain this is 0. The remaining angle is 90 degree. Okay. In question number 40, so the correct answer is 15 degree, 45 degree and 120 degree. So which is option number 3rd. Right. Moving on to the next page. In question number 41, if L line is perpendicular to line M and line M is perpendicular to line N, then the lines L and N are parallel to each other. So it's a basic question on lines and angles. In question number 42, the correct answer is 219 and 18 degree. 219.6 and 18 degree. Option number 2nd is correct answer. In question number 43, so what is alternate name of a pie chart? So it is circle chart. So option number 3 is correct. In question number 44, the lengths of diagonal of a rhombus are 16 cm and 12 cm respectively. Find the length of each of its sides. So in question number 44, the correct answer is 10, which is option number 2nd. In 45, if the mean of the following data is 8, then what is the value of x? So 45 mean means kind of average, right? So 45 mein correct answer is 23, right? Mean is given 8. In question number 46, correct answer is 29 by 19, which is option number 1. In 47, what is the sum of 3.2 repetitive and 5.4 again repetitive? So upon solving these, the answer obtained is 26 by 3. 78 by 9. So 78 by 9 को cut करेंगे तो it would be 26 by 3. So option number 4 is correct. In question number 48, 58 by 21. Option number 2nd is correct. In question number 49, the difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of these two numbers is 5:2. The two numbers are, let the numbers be A:B. So these are the two numbers, and upon solving you will get 110 and 44. In question number 50, if angle A and angle C are two opposite angles of a parallelogram, then the correct situation is angle A is equal to angle C, which is option number 2nd. Now here we finish our mathematics section. Now moving on to the next page, we have English, and in English, as always, the first part is in language is comprehension. So after reading this passage, we will start solving the answers. And in question number 51, the correct option is option number 1. First is correct for 51. In 52, the correct answer is 53rd option. In 53, the correct answer is option number 2nd. In question number 54, the correct option is option number 4. Let me just push it. Okay, so question number 54 was, the room was filled with the wizard's shrieks of fiendish laughter, and we have to find out the correct antonym. In question number 55, I am doing hard work to get to the college of my choice, and for this question the answer is option number 2nd. In question number 56, the answer is option number 3. 4 will fit the answer. In question number 54, in question number 57, the option is 4. In 58, after school was dismissed, she said with pretended casualness that she wanted to go and meet the new teacher. So we have to find the type of verb, and in this question answer is second, participle. In 59, again second is correct. In question number 60, would you like to have some tea or coffee? The assistant asked me, and we have to find the correct reported verb, correct form of the sentence. In question number 60, number 4 is correct. In question number 61, choose the correct spelling. So benevolent, option number 1 is correct. So that's the correct spelling. In question number 62, the correct synonym for the word zenith is pinnacle. So it's the height of success. Moving on to the next page. In question number 63, he acted dash at the dinner table, and the correct answer for this is clumsily, option number 3. In 64, the price of this mobile phone is higher than yours, and you have to find the edited form of the underlined words from the options given, and the correct answer for question number 64 is option number 4, is higher than that of yours. In question number 65, the young teacher was beaming with confidence, and we have to find out the adjective in this sentence, and for which the correct answer is option number 1. 66, I need to check dash, I have brought my umbrella, and we have to find the correct conjunction. Correct answer is second, weather. She has now organized her documents in properly labeled files, and option number 3 is correct. Her documents have now been organized in properly labeled files. In question number 68, it is late and dash to get any sleep, I must go, and if I am to get any sleep, so option number 1 is correct. Moving on to the next one. In question number 69, weather forecasts aren't very reliable and never will be, so option number 4 is correct. In question number 70, the princess was very generous, everyone liked her for her, option number 3 is correct. In question number 71, neither of the girls dash to collect her certificates, so in 71, option number 2 is correct. Rearrange the following words phrases to make a meaningful sentence, choose the correct sequence, and for this 72, option number 4 is correct, BECFDA. Again it is a question on rearrangement. Question number 73, the correct answer is option number 1. In question number 74, to tie yourself in knots means we have to get the correct answer and to get confused. In question number 75, someone has lit the fire. We have to choose the correct passive form of this sentence, and the correct answer is the fire has been lit by someone. Moving on to the next page. With question number 75, we end English section. Now, this is for general science and general knowledge. 76. The larva of frog changes its form by a sudden and drastic process called 4th, metamorphosis. Option 4 is correct. For question number 77, cloning is similar to which of the following modes of reproduction, and the correct answer is sexual reproduction. Option number 3. In question number 78, which of the following correctly represents the value of normal atmospheric pressure, and for this one correct answer is number 4. So there is a little bit of mistake in this question, actually overwrite हुआ है शायद बच्चे से, so option number 4 is correct. Anyways, in 79, loudness of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude. So this one is from physics. In question number 80, a man stands 10 meters in front of a large plane mirror. How far must he walk before he is 5 meters away from his image? Okay, so this one from light topic, and correct answer is option number second. In question number 81, the correct answer is chromium. In question number 82, the correct answer is 1. Which of the following metals is used in electroplating to make metal objects appear shinier? So first is correct answer. Okay. In question number 81, the correct answer is option number 3. Right. In question 82, which of the two gases mainly responsible for acid rain? And the correct answer is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So option number 1 is correct. In 83, the correct answer is a set of terms pertaining to reproduction are given below. Choose the set which has an incorrect combination. So the incorrect combination is option number 3. This is incorrect, है ना, बोल्ड में किया हुआ आपका. Moving on to next page. Question number 84. The process of zinc lamination coating on iron is called galvanization. So it was a basic question. आपके जो NCERT books हैं उनमें भी है question. In 85, conditions for good electroplating are high concentration of metal in electrolyte. So this is the correct answer. In question number 86, electroplating is the application of electrolysis. Option number 2 is correct. In question number 87, an earthquake measuring 6 on the Richter scale is more powerful than another one on the magnitude 4 by 100 times. Option number 2. So multiplication of 10 represent होते हैं scale में, Richter scale में. Rabi crops are. So it's not very exact question, but according to given options, I think option number 1 will correct it. हमारे टीम ने इसका डिस्कशन किया था एंड वी रियलाइज कि बिकॉज एग्जैक्ट विंटर होता नहीं है आपका जब अक्टूबर में इसको सो करते हैं रबी क्रॉप्स को. सो बट हार्वेस्टेड इन समर मीन्स कि दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग कि मार्च और अप्रैल में जब हार्वेस्टिंग होता है तो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 फिट्स वेल रबी क्रॉप्स के लिए. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 89, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ शुगर इनटू अल्कोहल इज कॉल्ड फर्मेंटेशन. सो इट वाज अ बेसिक इजी क्वेश्चन. होपफुली ज़्यादातर बच्चों ने इसको ठीक किया होगा. In question number 90, identify the correctly matched pair from the following, and the correct answer is option number 3, gear line. In question number 91, water harvesting means collection of water in storage tanks. Option number 3 is correct. For question 92, a person suffering from dash should always cover his mouth and nose with a handkerchief while sneezing. So correct answer is common cold because it is done by a virus and it's very contagious. In 93, which of these straps air the most? The correct answer is 3rd, wool. In question number 94, which non-metal is highly reactive and used in making matchsticks? So the correct answer for 94 is option number 1, phosphorus. In question number 95, which is the product formed when a metal reacts with water? And for this one, metal hydroxide is correct answer. In question number 96, which of the following pairs of organelles does not contain DNA? And the correct answer is option number 3, lysosomes and vacuoles. They do not contain DNA. In question number 97, which of the following features help in distinguishing a plant cell from an animal cell? It's a very popular question actually. हर बार आ ही जाते हैं. And the difference is in their absence of cell wall. In question number 98, naphthalene balls used to repel moths and insects are derived from. Okay, this is also a pretty popular question. naphthalene balls पर कहीं ना कुछ आपके स्कूल में भी और यहाँ भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में हर बार पूछा जाता है. And correct answer is coal-tar. 99 question. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonification. Right. In question number 100, which amongst the following is a petroleum product which can be used for metalling of metalling of roads. Okay, so in this question bitumen is the correct answer. Moving on to the next page. Now this marks the starting of section D, which is social studies. Now, which of the following was termed as devilish and tyrannical by Gandhiji and Jinnah? So for question number 101, option number 3, Rowlatt Act is correct answer. The Supreme Court of India has laid down specific requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow for the arrest, detention and interrogation of any person. These guidelines are also known as, and this is DK Basu guidelines. So it was quite in-depth question. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा डेप्थ में था क्वेश्चन. In question 103, name the Indian revolutionary who threw a bomb. Okay, it's a very famous question. Bhagat Singh is the correct answer. In question number 104, who is the founder of Khudai Khidmatgars, a powerful non-violent movement among the Pathans? And the correct answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. What is the meaning of the Japanese term tsunami? And it's a tidal wave, huge tidal wave. ठीक है. In question number 106, air pressure dash as the height increases, so it decreases. Viticulture is the cultivation of grapes. In question number 108, where did Gandhiji? In question number 8, where did Gandhiji launched the mill worker strike of 1918? So mill worker strike is also a pretty famous incident in our independence struggle, and the correct answer is option number 2, Kheda. Moving on to the next page. In question number 109, who were the European artists appointed by Muhammad Ali Jinnah of Arcot? Muhammad Ali Khan of Arcot. And question number 109 का option number 1 is correct. Again, it's a very in-depth question. Maybe some of you could have scored it right. In question number 110, the temperate grasslands of South Africa are called velds. Thinnest layer of the earth is, so in question number 111, correct answer is crust. In question number 112, which of the following is an example of non-metallic mineral? Correct answer is option number 4. Question number 113, the emperor who ascended the throne at 13 years of age was Akbar. So he was just 13 years old. In question number 114, the number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha is, okay, so option number 4, 47 is the reservation of number of seats. In question number 115, what is referred to as the supreme law of land? So always constitution is referred to as supreme law of land. In question number 116, the breaking up and decaying of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals and human activity is called weathering. So आपको class 7th onwards ये बताया जाता है weathering. And then in question number 117, a motion of non-confidence against the government can be introduced in both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So option number 3 is correct. In question number 118, the Ministry of Human Resources was created in. Okay, so this question, sometimes it is asked, 1985 is correct option. In question number 119, so Daikas are outsiders, right? So this is the answer for question number 119. In question number 120, 29th March 1857 is a significant date because on this date Mangal Pandey was hanged to death, right? So this is the answer. In question number 121, which of the following is not categorized under the Himalayan earthquakes? For question number 121, option number 3, Bhuj earthquake, which was felt in Gujarat in 2001. So it is not under Himalayan earthquakes. In question number 122, Dash, a great scholar of Sanskrit, felt that Hinduism was oppressive towards women, and the correct answer for this question is Pandita Ramabai. In question number 1 to 3, burning of fossil fuels causing global warming, reduces global warming, releases oxygen. So obviously the correct answer is number 1. It was an easy question. In question number 124, which incident in the history of Indian freedom movement made Tagore angry and made him renounce his knighthood? So correct answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In question number 125, which of the following is a fundamental right? So option number 2, right to freedom of religion is correct answer. So here we finish the GK portion. Now we'll start with reasoning portion, intelligence. In section E, intelligence, the answer for question number 126, in a list if Sikha is 15th from the upper end and 17th from the lower end, then the total number of people in the list is, so correct answer is option number 3, 31. In question number 127, find the fourth proportion to 4, 5 and 16. The correct answer is option number 4, 20th. Now, in question number 128, pitch is related to cricket in the same way arena is related to wrestling. So option number 4 is correct. In question number 129, the time in the clock is 12:15. Okay, so 12:15. If the hour hand points in the east, and which is the direction opposite to the minute hand? So आपको इसमें diagram draw करना था, and the correct answer for this question is north. In question number 130, 5 boys A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. A is to the right of B and E is to the left of B, but to the right of C. Okay, so this question is basically on sitting arrangement. डाबर्ड एकेडमी टेलीग्राम चैनल में कंसिस्टेंटली ये क्वेश्चंस खूब सारे प्रैक्टिस के लिए दिए जाते हैं एंड टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आप ज़रूर ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 130 द आंसर वुड बी CEB. सो हु इज सेकंड फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड? सो E, ऑप्शन सेकंड इज करेक्ट. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 131, a word has been given followed by 4 other words. Which one of the following is found by using the letters from the word preparation? So the correct answer for this one is parrot. In question number 132, what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when it is 5:10 p.m? So you should have made a clock, or 5:10 आप जब mention करेंगे the correct answer would be 95 degrees. In question number 133, so again this question is on basically direction sense. तो इसमें आपको diagram draw करना था and the answer for 133 is northeast. So this is option number 2. Moving on to the next page. In question number 134, 5 friends are standing in a row. Amar is taller than Samir, Prabhat is taller than Umesh, but not as tall as Samir. Okay, Ashok is taller than Umesh. Who among them is the shortest? And the answer for 134 is Ashok. Option number 1 is the shortest. In 135, insert the missing number. So this was the question mark and we had to find the value, and the correct answer is 27. In question number 136, choose the alternative that best represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in the original pair. So F has a relationship with 216, so L would have a relationship with 728. Option number 1726. So 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6 represents 216. In the similar way, L would be represented by 1728. In question number 137, in a certain code, terminal is written as this and towers is written as this. So how is mate written in the same code? And in this question, B and FU, which is option number 3. This is correct answer. In question number 138, arrange the following as per. So arrange to make a meaningful order. So this is the question and the correct option is again 4th. 3, 4, 1, 2. Moving on to the next page. In question number 140, complete the series 3, 10, 101. So the correct answer would be 10202. Option number 3. In question number 141, Hirakund Mahanadi, the same relationship. Tehri Dam is on which river? So it is on Bhagirathi, option number 2. So in the following question 142, select the missing number from the given series. So this is the question mark we have to find, and correct answer for this is 119, option number 1. Fill in with the suitable word. Quarantined, separated, radical. It's a little bit of, okay, so extreme word, unfriendly. Okay, often you hear this word in news. In question number 144, okay, so choose the letter group that represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in the original pair of letter groups, and upon solving जो रिलेशनशिप इन दोनों में है वह रिलेशनशिप इसकी किसके साथ होगी. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज TEEIE. सो TEEIE is option number 1. Moving on to the next page. P is brother of Q and R. S is R's mother. T is P's father. Which of the following statement cannot be definitely true? So in 145, so Q is T's son. This cannot be definitely true. Option number 4. In 146, choose the correct option in place of question mark to complete the given series. Okay, so question mark after 81 क्या आएगा? After 81 it would be 145. Tiger is related to cow in the same way elephant is related to, so the correct answer is calf. Okay, in 148, if in the year 2012 January 1st is Sunday, then which day is Indian Republic Day, which is 26th in 2012? So correct answer is Thursday, option number 3, 26 Jan. What comes in next in the series? आपको वैल्यू बताना था 149 में, and this is 840. Option number 2 would be correct in the series. Michael is 14th from the left, and in a row of 40 boys, what is his position from the right hand? And his position is 27th. Option number 4. So alright students, so here we end the solution portion. Hopefully आपका काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ एग्ज़ाम. राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल्स के एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस. Make sure you follow and subscribe to Dabad Academy channel and press bell icon for regular updates. Also make sure to connect with us on our Telegram channels. Lot of free and really good learning sources are available there. Thank you for your precious time. Jai Hind.